In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT to apply for jobs. 2026 Full Guide. Job hunting today can feel like a second job. Endless applications, repetitive rewrites, and silence from automated systems. The good news is you can use ChatGPT as an ethical, high-conversion career assistant without sounding robotic. We'll decode job descriptions, sharpen your resume, craft a human cover letter, and rehearse interviews with live voice coaching so you walk in prepared and confident. Start by gathering exactly what the company wants. Open your target job listing, copy the entire description, and paste it into ChatGPT. If your interface offers different modes, switch to a reasoning-focused or thinking mode for deeper analysis. Then say, act as an expert technical recruiter. Analyze this specific job description, strip away the corporate fluff, and list the top 10 mandatory technical skills, operational tools, and core methodology phrases required to pass initial tracking filters. Format your findings into a clean table with columns for required competency and suggested resume location. This gives you a precise, ATS-aligned blueprint for tailoring. Next, use the 80-20 rule to upgrade your experience bullets. 80% your authentic metrics, 20% AI polish. Paste in your resume beneath the extracted keywords and prompt, act as a senior resume writer, rewrite my experience bullets for this role. For every bullet, use strong action verbs and a real framework like STAR or Google XYZ. Weave in target keywords naturally, remove buzzwords, and leave bracketed placeholders where I must insert real data metrics. Then replace every placeholder with true numbers, scope, and outcomes. Authenticity beats templates every time. With your resume aligned, draft a cover letter that sounds like you. Write a tailored cover letter for this position based strictly on my optimized bullets. Constraints. Under 350 words, natural and conversational with varied sentence lengths and short paragraphs, no filler. Open with one researched reason I admire the company's recent work, include one narrative anecdote about a major project win, and close with a confident question about their upcoming technical goals. A quick tip, add one timely, verifiable detail about the company to anchor credibility. Now prepare for interviews with voice-based practice. On the ChatGPT mobile app, tap the microphone to start advanced voice mode and say, act as a tough hiring manager for this role, ask one challenging behavioral question at a time, wait for my spoken response, then give real-time feedback on pacing, clarity, and structure before the next question. Repeat until your answers feel crisp and confident. Finally, follow up with intention. Prompt, act as an elite executive assistant. Draft a post-interview follow-up email under 100 words. Acknowledge their busy schedule. Reference one specific technical topic we discussed, and reiterate how my background solves that exact problem. Personalize the draft and send promptly. Use ChatGPT as your strategic partner, keep your data real, and you'll apply smarter, not harder. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.